Have you ever encountered an error that just stops you in your tracks? If you've seen the message, Uncaught and promised DOMException, quota exceeded, while trying to access a demo, you're not alone. Today, we're going to unravel this issue together. I totally get how frustrating it can be when you're trying to test something important and an error pops up out of nowhere. This is a common issue, especially when working with service workers in Chrome. Let's dive into the specific situation. One user reached out saying they were trying to view an offline status demo, but they encountered the quota exceeded error. Interestingly, this error only happens in Chrome, while Firefox works just fine. Sound familiar? Let's explore why this happens. So what does this error mean? Essentially, Chrome has a storage quota limit for each origin, which can lead to this error if you're trying to cache too many files. Firefox, on the other hand, has a more lenient approach to storage. Let's break this down further. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip on how to clear your cache and reset your storage, which can help you avoid this issue in the future. To address the DOMException, quota exceeded error, the user should first check the current storage quota in Chrome. This can be done by navigating to the Chrome settings. Next, the user can clear the cache data for the specific origin that is causing the issue. This will help reset the storage and potentially resolve the error. If the user wants to programmatically manage the cache, they can modify the service worker code to delete old caches. This can help prevent the quota from being exceeded in the future. Lastly, the user should consider optimizing the files being cached. Reducing the number of files or their sizes can help stay within the quota limits. Fun fact, did you know that Chrome and Firefox handle storage differently? While Chrome has strict limits, Firefox allows for more flexibility. It's like comparing a strict teacher to a laid-back one. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user suggests that the offline status demo only downloads about 700 kilobytes, which shouldn't exceed Chrome's 5 megabyte quota limit. They point out that the error might occur if your Chrome cache is already full, especially if you have too many tabs open. Their alternative solution is to try running the demo in incognito mode. That's the end of that answer. Let's see another perspective. One alternative solution suggests that instead of trying to increase the quota limit in Chrome, you should consider caching fewer files. Additionally, using better compression techniques can help reduce the amount of data you need to store. Let's take a look at an answer from another user. An alternative solution proposed by another user involves versioning your cache name. By doing this, you can easily delete old assets and keep your cache updated. They suggest creating a cache whitelist with version names and deleting any caches not included in this list during the activation event. Here's a quick tip. Regularly check your cached files and clean them up. This simple habit can save you from running into the quota exceeded error in the future. And there you have it. You should now have a better understanding of the quota exceeded error and how to fix it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips.